Good morning. The topic for today is getting a point slope equation for a line. In order to do that, I need to get a point. So as I look at this line, there's a nice point right there that's right on a tick mark. I'm going to need a second point in order to get the slope. So second point would be right here. The slope for this line is going to be up 2 units and over 1, 2, 3. So the slope is 2/3, and a point that would go with this is 1 comma 4. That's all I need to get my equation. My equation is right here. The slope is the 2/3 that we had. This is going to be x minus 1 because if I plugged a 1 in for x, that would make the parentheses 0. And this is going to be 4 because the y value for my point there was 4. Oh golly, they took the grid away from us this time. We'll have to do something a little different. One thing you can do is always make a table. One of the points was x is -1, y is 6. The other point was x is 2, y is 1. It's a point slope equation I'm looking for, so I need the slope. The y values decreased by 6 or by 5, and the x values increased by 3. You can always do subtraction if you need this. 1 minus 6 got me the -5. 2 minus the -1 got me 3. So the slope is going to be the change in y over the change in x. And then my point slope equation is going to be y equals my slope. I'm going to use this point. It's easier to think about. X minus 2. That way, if I plugged a 2 in for x, I get 0 in the parentheses, and then I would end up with a 1 for y. And we should be good. Let's see how we did. There's our 2 points. There's our point slope line that we came up with, and it goes right through the 2 points, so we did well. Again, if the point we're using is 2 comma 1, then we use x minus 2 because a 2 for x would make the parentheses 0, and then a plus 1 because we wanted the y value to be plus 1.